Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am back here with another product here. This is the, well, I don't know what it is. It's the AL 1108-1, but it looks like what it is here. As you can see here, it comes with some keychains, and it's going to be some little doggy silicone molds. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to open this up. Actually, I didn't even have to bite it. It's already serrated, but you can get the idea of it. So these are some silicone molds. I have some silicone molds of like Mickey Mouse and things like that. But you see the way this is. So when I pour the silicone in, it'll have a little place for the stem. So I can do like sparkle ones and different things like that. So it's got some different ones in different shapes. You see this one here. Well, they're the same shape, but different sizes. I mean, so this is a big one. And then there's a small one. And it looks like I have 3 of each, 3 big ones and 3 small ones. So it comes with a total of 6 little silicone pieces here. And then it comes with all the keychains. So let's check out the keychain here. I'm not gonna show you guys making a silicone thing right now, but this is what the keychain looks like here. So you can see it has a little point thingy at the end of it. But so you can make a little keychain and it'll go through the little hole that it makes in there to make for the doggy thing. So it's pretty cool. So it makes a little nice little keychain that you can do. And these silicone molds are good, and they are, I know I looked at them up, and they are good for just up to like super high temperatures, so you can melt some stuff in the oven with it. I even may use, like for my 3D printer, I have a lot of extra like PLA and stuff like that. I may actually put that in here and melt that in here, and then it'll be like a PLA one if I don't use the other stuff. But these are nice, and they're flexible and easy, and they'll be super easy to mold. I know it's non-stick, so that'll be nice. And it comes with everything you pretty much, ready to need, except you just need your whatever you're gonna put in there. You could even use it, maybe make little chocolates or something like that. That would be sweet, but you wouldn't need the keychain probably for that part. But these are very cool. I like these little keychain doggy bones, and the doggies will like them. We have 6 little puppies right now. These would be huge. These are like the size of the whole dog, but they're very cute. So eventually they will each have one with their name on it. Maybe that we'll give to the people when they move on. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more stuff. If there's any other details I didn't say in this, I'll be putting them down in the description as well. Thanks. Bye.